Steve, we've watched this track and we've seen it for a little while. It looks like it's moved west just a tad.
It did at 5 p.m., Keith, but it's essentially the same as at 11 o'clock for the advisory. That's been a while ago now, but yeah, the track did shift earlier today, and the computer models have kind of come more in line. The GFS shifting back a little to the west, so the Hurricane Center feels they've got a good compromise between those computer models on the current track. But again, this can change before landfall, so just know that the track that you're seeing will possibly change. 165-mile-per-hour wind, so the storm is a little less strong tonight, but still a Category 5, strong Category 5 storm whipping the Turks and Caicos Islands tonight, and it will continue to move on that west to northwesterly track north of Cuba for tomorrow. 21.3 north, 72.4 west, latitude, longitude, Friday at 8 a.m. north of Cuba. Of course, hurricane warnings are in place Friday at 8 p.m. and then perhaps Saturday 8 p.m. as a Category 4. Possible landfall sometime early in the morning on Sunday and then pushing northward. That position very interesting to our inland areas especially. That position would pass probably just east of Sebring Sunday at 8 p.m. with 115-mile-per-hour winds. Farther north, you can see it pushes off to the northeast, but again, that's the timing on that Sunday at 8 p.m. Hurricane watch in place from Sarasota County, Manatee County, and Hardy DeSoto. Highlands County southward, DeSoto County included that as well, means within 48 hours, hurricane force winds are possible. As we look at the spaghetti models, they are tracking a little farther back to the west, a little bit, enough to make a change in that forecast track from the National Hurricane Center. So you can see why the Hurricane Center has made that shift to the west just a little bit. So it's something we'll need to watch. That track can continue to change, and of course it makes a big difference where it is relative to us here in our 11 counties here in the Tampa Bay area.
All right, thank you.